Good morning, students. In the last video, we have seen that Siley and her friends, were successfully or comfortably landed on the moon, and the receptionists have given some instruction to them, okay, to comfortably live on the moon, In this video, we are going to see what they have planned to do on the first day of their trip. So let's start. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. Jam-packed means extremely full, tightly scheduled. So going to moon is not a small thing, they have definitely prepared a plan, that what we do on first day, what we see on second day, and what we see on third day. So they have planned everything, before going to moon, and their schedule was tightly scheduled, means every minute they are spending on the moon is scheduled, they have planned everything. Jam packed means extremely full. So they were living there for 3 days. So let's see what they have planned on the first day. According to the earth calculations, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. So according to the earth's calculations, on the moon there 15 days are of daylight and 15 days are of night time. So on the earth, what is the situation? There is a 12-hour day and 12-hour night, and every day this thing is repeated. But on the moon, total 15 days are of daylight and another 15 days are of night time, and they will continue, repeat that successively. So in the last video also we have seen that there is a light for some time and darkness for some time. So here also the 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time on the moon. So this girl Siley and her friends have planned for 3 days of the night time. So they are present there at the night time, and for the 3 days they were at the night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Sky Watch. So they have, as they have said earlier, they have planned all the things, and on the first day they have planned the first most important program is Sky Watch. Sky Watch means looking at the sky, and observing some new things in the sky. On the earth, it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. So on the earth, in cities, it was usually foggy, means on the earth climate is there, so there in the sky there is clouds, fog, so all the disturbances are also present, so we cannot see the sky very clearly. So in cities, due to smoke, due to foggy nature, due to clouds, we cannot see the sky properly. So sometimes we have to go to villages to see the clear sky. So here the writer is mentioned that on the earth it was usually foggy and stars were not seen really. So see, we cannot see the stars, we were seeing them rarely and only very faintly, as the sky is very distant from us, we can see the stars faintly. there was no atmosphere on the moon, but on the moon there was no atmosphere. Okay, so we can see the sky very clearly. There was no pollution, okay, no dust particles. Okay, so there was no atmosphere, that's why we can see the sky larger clearly, okay, more clearly than on the earth, than from the earth. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. Okay, so whenever we see the sky from the earth, then it is earth sky. Now the Siley and her friend were seeing that sky on the moon, that's why it is called moon sky. Okay, on the dark background of the moon sky. Okay, so as they were present on the night time, the background is dark. Okay, of the moon sky, stars shone dazzling bright. So the stars were seen more dazzling, more bright on the dark background. So okay, so you can imagine, children, how the view will be there. Okay, the dark background and the very glittering dazzling stars, so it was very pleasant. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. Okay, disk of the earth means, see, whenever we see the moon from the earth, okay, what we see, the moon is oval, but oval round, okay, but uh, from the earth, what we see is it as a disk. Okay, so from the moon also we can see the earth as a disk. Okay, in the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. Okay, so means from earth we see moon, okay, smaller. Okay, and it is smaller than the earth. Okay, moon is smaller than earth, and from the moon we can see the earth 13 times bigger. Okay, means earth is looking 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. Okay, it was also 70 times brighter, and the earth is 70 times brighter than the moon. The earth light fell on the moon, so as earth is brighter than the moon, earth's light fall on the moon. This beautiful enchanting view made Siley and her friends ecstatic. Okay, the beautiful enchanting, okay, enchanting means magical. Okay, beautiful, pleasant. So this magical view made Siley and her friends very happy. Ecstatic means very happy. Okay, so anyone will be happy, okay, after seeing such a beautiful view of the dark background and dazzling stars, okay, twinkling stars, and the very beautiful earth, and it is looking bigger than the moon. Okay, they fell asleep feeling happy, excited, and comfortable at the same time. So they were very happy and they felt asleep feeling happy and excited for tomorrow and comfortable at the same time. Okay, so in this video we have seen their first day schedule. Okay, they have seen the sky, okay, on the first day, and they were very happy after looking at the stars on the moon sky. Okay, and they have watched the earth also. Okay, and it was looking very beautiful from the moon. It was looking bigger and brighter. Okay, and it was looking like its earth's light is on the moon. So Siley and her friends were very happy after seeing this magical view. Okay, and they have felt asleep very happily, excitedly, and comfortably. Okay, thank you.